Hello everyone and welcome to today's story. The title of our story is My Father Always Encouraged Me. This story is about love, support, and family. It tells how a father can be a resource of strength and motivation in our life. A good father doesn't just take care of the father, he always teaches, guides, and believes in his children. In this story, you can hear how Father kind work and positive attitude help his child to never give up. Even when the life difficult, his encouragement gives hope and confidence. This story reminds us that love and support from parents can make a big difference in who we become. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. My father always encouraged me. My father is always encouraged me. My father is a very special person in my life. He is not only my parent but also my teacher, my friend, and my guide. He always encouraged me to do my best in everything I do. Whenever I feel tired, sad, or weak, he is the one who gives me strength to stand up again. My father kind heart. My father has a kind and warm heart. He cares deeply for our family. Every morning he wakes up early to go to work. He works hard to make sure we have a good life. Even though he is busy, he always finds time to talk with me. When he smiles, I can feel his love and kindness. His smile gives me peace. His voice is calm and gentle. I always feel safe when I'm with him. He teaches me that kindness is the best quality a person can have. He says, be kind even when others are not. Kindness makes you strong. He always believes me. Sometimes I doubt myself. For example, when I have big exam or a school project, I get nervous. I worry that I might fail. But my father always believes in me. He tells me, you can do it. Just try your best. When I hear those words, my heart feels light. I start to believe in myself again. His belief gives me confidence. One time, I enjoyed a school competition. I practiced hard, but I didn't win the first prize. I feel disappointed and sad. I wanted to give up. My father came to me and said, winning is not everything. What's matter? Those words touched my heart deeply. Since that day, I stopped fearing failure. My father taught me that success is not only about winning, it's about growing and learning. My father is a very positive person. He always looks at the bright side of life. Even when things are difficult, he never complains. He always says, there is always a way to solve a problem. Once our family faced a hard time. My father's company had problem and money was tight. But instead of worrying, he smiled and said, we will get through this together. He continued work hard and never gave up. His positive attitude helped our family stay strong. I learned that no matter how hard life is, we should never lose hope. My father teaches me many lessons through his action. He doesn't only give advice, he shows it by how he lives. He is honest, responsible, and humble. He respects everyone, no matter who they are. He never speaks badly about others. He tells me, respect people, you will be respected. Be honest, and you will sleep peaceful at night. He also teaches me about the importance of time. He says time is precious. Don't waste time. Use your time to do something useful. Because of him, I try to be more disciplined. I study on time, help my family, and finish my tasks carefully. My father never gets angry when I make mistakes. He understands that mistakes are part of learning. When I do something wrong, he sits beside me and explains gently. He doesn't shout or punish me. For example, one day I broke a glass by accident. I was scared that he would be angry, but he just said, "It's okay. Accident happen. Next time, be careful." That moment taught me that understand is more powerful than anger. My father's patience inspired me to be patient with others too. My father always encouraged me to study hard and never gave up. He said, education is the key to your future. If you study well, you can achieve anything. When I feel lazy or tired, he reminds me why learning is important. He tells me stories about his own childhood, how he worked hard to finish school, even when life was not easy. Sometimes he studied with me. He helped me understand difficult lessons. He never gets tired of explaining again and again until I understand. When I get good grades, he smiles proudly and says, "I knew you could do it." That makes me so happy. I always want to make him proud. My father always tells me to follow my dream. He never forced me to do something I don't like. He says, choose a path that makes you happy. I will always support you. I love drawing and writing. When he saw my interest, he bought me color, notebook, and book. He said, practice every day if you love it. You will become great at it. He also told me that dream take time and patience. Don't rush. He said, step by step, you will reach your goal. Whenever I feel sad, my father noticed it quickly. He asked me gently, what's wrong? Sometimes I don't even have to speak. He just knows. He listened to me carefully and gave me comfort. He never said, don't cry. Instead, he said, it's okay to cry, but don't lose hope. His words are like light in the dark. After talking with him, I always feel better. My father worked very hard for our family. He woke up early, go to work, and come home late. But even after a long day, he still smiled and asked me about my day. He never complained about being tired. He said, I work hard because I love my family. He sees his hard work and feel inspired. He teaches me that nothing good. My father loved my mother and all of us deeply. He helped my father with housework. Sometimes he cooked breakfast and helped clean the house. Every evening, we sit together for dinner. My father listened to everyone. He makes us laugh with his funny story. Our home feels full of love and peace because of him. He said, family is the most important thing in life. Always care for your loved ones. My father wants me to be a good and kind person. He doesn't only care about my rate or money. He says, I don't want you just to be successful. I want you to be a good human being. He wants me to help others, to be honest, and to never hurt anyone. His dream for me is to live a meaningful life, a life filled with love, kindness, and hard work. Some of my favorite memories are the small moments I share with my father. Sometimes we take a walk in the park together. Sometimes we sit on the balcony and talk about life. He tells me about his childhood, his school day, and his dream. I love listening to his story. Sometimes he surprises me with ice cream or my favorite food. He always knows how to make me smile. I want to make my father proud. I promise to study hard, follow his advice, and become a good person. I know life will not always be easy, but I will remember his word. Keep going, even when things are hard. One day, when I am grown up, I want to take care of him just like he takes care of me. I want to make his life happy and peaceful. My father is my hero. He is my biggest supporter and my best teacher. His encouragement helped me grow into my better person every day. Whenever I face challenges, I remember his word. You can do it. Just try your best. Because of him, I'm strong. Because of him, I believe in myself. My father always encouraged me, and that is the greatest gift I could receive. Thank you so much for listening to this story. I really hope you enjoy it and learn something from it. Your time and support mean a lot to me. When you listen, like and share my story, it gives me energy to keep creating more.